Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim Reza. In this quick video, I will show you how you can use or deactivate your Upwork new main menu. So this video is only for a update purpose. So if you are complete beginner, then this video could be useful to you. Also, if you are a freelancer on Upwork. Okay, so this is the previous look of Upwork, and Upwork actually changed their menu. So menu means this the option. Okay, so it's like find work, delivery work, manage finance, messages. Here is a search button, jobs, and this is the profile. And what they have changes right now. Right now they change actually. You can see their meta new main menu. Okay, so if you turn on this button, you can see the total entire interface actually change, and it's now look like this. If you want, you can hide this taskbar, and this is the simplest look, and I am the big fan of this look. So this kind of interface actually I personally like. So if you want, you can use it in this way, but if you don't like this one, you can also deactivate it by turn off this button, and you can see you are seeing the previous button. So this is the previous interface, and if you turn on, it will upgrade to your new interface. So I want to keep this one as my main Upwork interface, and like a long time later I back into Upwork. So that's why I hope this video will be useful to you if you are complete beginner, because most of the viewer in my channel, they are beginner. So that's it actually. If you want to get new video from me, like how you can get job on Upwork and etc., like the quite information about freelancing, how you can make money, also how you can build your skills. So mostly in my profile I publish based on my experience and skills. So if you are interested, you can definitely do subscribe, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim. See you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.